Hi everyone, welcome back to Cars Inc., your one-stop destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the world of compact SUVs, and our spotlight is on the 2025 Toyota Punch, a car that has captured the hearts of many with its rugged looks, advanced features, and impressive practicality. So, buckle up and let's take this beast for a ride. The Toyota Punch first came into the spotlight for redefining the compact SUV segment, and with the 2025 update, Toyota Motors has taken things to a whole new level. Whether you're someone looking for a robust city car or an occasional weekend explorer, the Punch promises to offer a balanced blend of style, performance, and affordability. Let's start with the design. The Punch truly stands out in a crowd. Toyota's Impact Design 2.0 philosophy gives this car a bold and muscular stance. The front features a high-set bonnet with sleek LED DRLs sitting above projector headlamps, which seamlessly integrate into the grille. The grille itself carries Toyota's signature tri-arrow pattern, making it immediately recognizable. The pronounced wheel arches, sharp body lines, and dual-tone roof options add to the dynamic look. At the rear, the LED taillamps with the Y-shaped motif and the sculpted tailgate give the Punch a strong presence on the road. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that is thoughtfully designed and packed with features. The dashboard sports a clean, layered look with soft-touch materials in some places, elevating the premium feel. The 7-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless smartphone connectivity. The instrument cluster is semi-digital, with a large TFT screen providing all the necessary driving information. One of the highlights of the Punch is its space. Despite being a compact SUV, Toyota has done a commendable job in optimizing cabin room. The high seating position ensures great visibility, and there's ample headroom and legroom in both rows. The rear seats can comfortably accommodate 3 passengers, thanks to the nearly flat floor. The boot space, at 366 liters, is more than adequate for your weekend trips or grocery runs. Toyota has also ensured that the Punch is loaded with features to keep you comfortable and entertained. You get automatic climate control, a push-button start, stop, cruise control, rear AC vents, and the Harman sound system that offers exceptional audio quality. Safety hasn't been compromised either. The 2025 Punch comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, corner stability control, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and a rear parking camera. Additionally, the Punch is built on Toyota's Alpha architecture, which has already proven its mettle in crash safety tests. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Punch is powered by 1.2-liter Revotron petrol engine. This 3-cylinder motor produces 86 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque, ensuring a peppy driving experience in city conditions. The engine is mated to either a 5-speed manual gearbox or an AMT for those who prefer convenience. Toyota has also introduced a new idle start-stop system, which improves fuel efficiency by turning off the engine when the car is stationary. For enthusiasts who crave better performance, the Punch now offers a turbocharged 1.2-liter petrol engine option. This motor churns out 110 PS of power and 140 Nm of torque, making highway drives and overtaking maneuvers a breeze. The turbo variant also comes with a DCT, dual-clutch transmission, for smoother and quicker gear shifts. The ride and handling of the Punch are where it truly shines. Toyota has tuned the suspension to offer a perfect balance between comfort and stability. The high ground clearance of 187 mm ensures you can tackle rough roads and speed bumps without a second thought. The Punch also features drive mode City and Eco, allowing you to choose between performance and fuel efficiency depending on your driving conditions. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Punch does not disappoint. The naturally aspirated petrol engine delivers around 18.5 km/L in city conditions and up to 20 km/L on the highway. The turbocharged variant offers slightly lower mileage, around 17 km/L, but compensates with its thrilling performance. Toyota has also prioritized connectivity in the 2025 Punch. With our connected car technology, you can access features like remote lock, unlock, vehicle health monitoring, geofencing, and live location tracking through your smartphone. This tech-savvy edition makes the Punch a step ahead of its competitors. Another note for the aspect of the Punch is its off-road capability. While it's not a hardcore off-roader, the Punch does come with Tata's Traction Pro mode, which aids in mild off-road situations like driving on slippery or uneven surfaces. This makes it a versatile option for adventure seekers. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The 2025 Tata Punch starts at an attractive A superscript 16.50 lakh for the base pure variant and goes up to A superscript 110.50 lakh for the top spec Creative Plus variant with the turbocharged engine and DCT. Considering the features, build quality, and versatility on offer, the Punch delivers excellent value for money. In terms of competition, the Punch goes head-to-head with cars like the Hyundai Exter, Maruti Suzuki Fronx, and Renault Kiger. However, its robust build quality, high safety standards, and Tata's reliable after-sales network give it a unique edge in the segment. So, who is the Tata Punch for? If you're looking for a compact SUV that combines bold styling, advanced features, and practicality without breaking the bank, the Punch is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for young professionals, small families, or anyone who wants the high driving position and rugged appeal of an SUV in a compact package. Before we wrap up, let's quickly sum up the pros and cons. Pros: bold and muscular design, spacious and feature-rich cabin, strong safety credentials, peppy engine options, great ride quality and ground clearance. Cons: no diesel engine option. Turbocharged variant is slightly pricey. And that's a wrap for today's review of the 2025 Tata Punch. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at Tata's compact SUV offering. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Cars for more such reviews and updates. Also, let us know in the comment section if you'd like us to review any other car or if you have questions about the Punch. Until next time, drive safe and take care.